what's up guys? It's me, Stetson, and it's Yummy Monday. Today we're going to be making potato rolls. What you're going to need is 1 packet of dry yeast, a 1/4 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of Crisco, 1 cup of scalded milk, 3 to 4 cups of flour, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of mashed potatoes, also melted butter. Hey guys, I'm back. So while you were gone, I mixed all my dry ingredients and my wet ingredients together. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients and then my mashed potatoes. Now that I have my wet ingredients in, I'm going to get my mashed potatoes. Now that my mashed potatoes are in, I'm going to start mixing. Hey guys, I'm back. So I've got this mostly mixed, and now I'm going to knead it with more flour until it's fully mixed into a good dough. Hey guys, so I've been kneading the dough for a little bit, and I'm going to knead it till I want the perfect consistency, and then I'm going to put it in a bowl and cover it with some oil on it and let it rise for an hour. Guys, the dough is the consistency I like. It's a nice soft ball. Now I'm going to put this in my bowl, and then I'm going to put a layer of oil on it and then cover it, and then I'm going to let it sit for an hour to rise. Hey guys, we're back. So the dough has rose for about an hour. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be punching the dough, and then it's doubled in size, and then I'm going to make individual rolls, and then I'm going to let it sit and rise for a little bit. Alright guys, I got 16 rolls. Now we're going to let them rise again for the second time until they double in size, and then we're going to put them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 375. Hey guys, it's been about 30 minutes. I think the rolls have doubled in size. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put them in the oven at 375 for 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 18 minutes, and I think they're just about perfect. We're going to set them on a drying rack, and then we're going to brush them with butter, let them rest, and we're going to eat them. They look perfect. Now, we're just going to lightly brush them with melted butter. They turned out really good. Very good. You should try it.